Hello my dear students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Amirkar Adi. Let's continue with the lesson rational numbers. Today we are going to study exercise 4.1. Its last 3 questions. Okay, so let's move. Let's move to question number 8, 9 and 10 of exercise 4.1. Let's study. See, question number 8. What is question number 8? Write down each of the following rational numbers with positive denominator. Means now you want your denominator as positive. Okay. Now see its first sum, that is 6 upon minus 7. Now the question is, you want denominator as positive and you can see here the denominator is what? Negative. So very easy and very simple. First you will write the given rational number as it is. Okay. Now you want denominator as positive. Only just you want the positive sign. It means you have to multiply the denominator by minus 1. Let's verify. Minus into minus plus 7 ones are 7. So the denominator is what you are now positive, and by the same number you have to multiply in the numerator also. This you know. So now just simplify. Here in the numerator you will get minus 6 and here you will get denominator as positive. Okay. Now see this one. You have minus 11 by minus 5. So again the write the given rational number as it is. Again the denominator you want positive and here it is what? Negative. So you know minus into minus is plus. So you have to multiply with minus 1 in the denominator, and in the numerator also you will multiply with minus 1. Now just simplify. Minus into minus h plus. So 11 ones are 11. Minus into minus h plus 5 ones are 5. So check you are getting it. Yes. Denominator is positive. So this is how to get the denominator as positive. Now see this question. Question number 9. Write three rational numbers equivalent to minus 7 by 8. Okay, now you have to write 3 equivalent rational numbers of the given rational number. Now what is meant by equivalent rational numbers? 2 rational numbers are said to be equivalent if one of the rational numbers can be obtained from the other by multiplying or by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. So let us take few examples to understand this concept. Okay, now let us see. Here you have minus 7 by 8. Now see children. First you will write this minus 7 by 8 as it is. And now you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. See, you have to multiply by the same non-zero number. Now simplify, you are getting minus 14, and here 8 into 2 is what? 16. Now again this minus 7 by 8 you have to multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator and simplify. What you are getting now? Minus 21 upon 24. Now let's multiply it by 4 now. What you are getting? Minus 28 upon 32. So what it implies? Therefore the 3 rational numbers, which are the 3 rational numbers which is equivalent to minus 7 by 8, that is minus 14 by 16, minus 21 by 24 and minus 28 by 32. So you have to write at last, hence 3 rational numbers equivalent to minus 7 by 8 are What are they? Minus 14 by 16, comma, minus 21 by 24, and what is the last one? Minus 28 by 32. Okay, let's see this example. Here again, first you will multiply it by 2, multiply and divide by 2, multiply and divide by 3, multiply and divide by 4. So in very easy way you can write in this way also. See, 11 by minus 6, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Okay, then 11 by minus 6, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Okay, then write 11 by minus 6, multiply by 4, multiply by 4. Okay, now just simplify this. 11 twos are, this implies, what it implies? It implies 22 by minus 12, 11 threes are 33 by minus 18 equals to 11 fours are 44 by minus 24. So what we write now? Hence 3 rational numbers equivalent to 11 by minus 6 are, what are they? They are this 22 by minus 12, 33 by minus 18 and 44 by minus 24. So when you multiply numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number, so you are getting equivalent rational numbers. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 10. What is question number 10? See, find equivalent forms of rational numbers having a common denominator for each of the following pairs. As you can see here, some pairs of rational numbers are given. According to the heading, you have to find its equivalent forms, but the denominator should be what? Common. The denominator should be common. Let's see, very easy. First pair is 3 by 8 and 5 by 7. Remember, to make the denominator same, you have to always find the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of denominators 8 and 7. As 7 is a prime number, so 56, 7 into 8 is 56 is your LCM. Now the first rational number 3 by 8 you will write, and write here 3 by 8. In the denominator you want 56, so 8 sevens are, multiply here also by 7 and simplify, you are getting 21 by 56. Now see the second rational number 5 by 7, you will write as it is first. Now you want denominator as common, you want here this 56 as same number, so here multiply by 8, and 5 8s are 40, 7 8s are 56. Okay, so what we write now? Write here as hence 3 by 8 is equal to 21 by 56 and 5 by 7 is equal to 40 by 56 are what? Are equivalent forms of rational numbers having common denominator, what is the common denominator? As 56. Okay, so let's move to this example. 7 by minus 6 and 3 by 4 is the given pair. Again you will find LCM of 6 and 4. So what is the LCM? LCM of 6 and 4. See how to find LCM, you know. Let's see again. Here is 6 and 4. Divide by 2. 3s are 6. 2s are 4. Now this is not divisible by any same number. So LCM will be 2 into 3 into 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So LCM is what? 12. Write the first number, first rational number, and now You want denominator as same, so denominator you want as 12. Okay, so denominator you want as 12. So let's see. So multiply with minus 2, and here also you will multiply with minus 2. Now simplify. Minus 14 upon 6 2s are 12. Now write the second pair, that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 multiply with 4 3s are, and here also 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So you can see the denominator is common, that is your 12. Okay, so in the same way you have to write as we have written here. What you will write? Hence 7 by minus 6 is equal to minus 14 by 12, and 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 12 are what? Are equivalent forms of rational numbers having common denominator. What is the common denominator? Common denominator is what here? 12. Okay, so I hope children you understood whatever the questions we have studied today. Question number 8, 9 and 10, and in this way we have completed our first exercise 4.1. Okay, goodbye children, have a nice day.